Jerry back with that Theatrically Jerry. Did you guys guess the surprise light fixture that I will be reviewing this week for my 200th video here on YouTube? It is VSHOW's S711 Buddha. So this is a 4-in-1 light. It's a beam spot, wash, and framing light. It has a 600 watt LED engine built into it. It is also a CMY light. It does have a built-in color wheel as well. I will be doing a 3-part in-depth review on this later this week, but for right now I'm going to be doing an unboxing video to show you guys how well the packaging is from VSHOW's Light Factory, as well as the included accessories. Alright, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. This is a rather large box, by the way, because this is a rather large light fixture. So the first thing you're going to see is VSHOW's excellent styrofoam padding. I'm used to seeing this. All of their light fixtures come with this really thick styrofoam that's blow molded to the light fixture, so it fits perfectly over it, and this is to protect it during shipping. They also have these little holes here that they store all the accessories with. So with the VSHOW S711 Buddha, you're going to get your PowerCon connector. This is a 20 amp rated PowerCon. I love that VSHOW silk screens their logos onto their PowerCon connectors. This is cool. You get your safety cable. All of VSHOW's light fixtures come with this safety cable. Safety is important, as you know if you've watched my channel. Love safety. Thank you guys for including that. And the last thing in this hole is your 3-pin DMX. And VSHOW also silk screens their name onto their 3-pin DMX cables. So they are including a 3-pin DMX cable with this light, a 20 amp PowerCon connector cable, and your safety cable. So they include 3 accessories with this light fixture. Now we're going to go ahead and pull this off and see what the light looks like, but we're going to cut because nobody wants to watch me struggle pulling this styrofoam off. So it was a struggle to remove this styrofoam, but now that I have it off, go ahead and remove it. And there is VSHOW's S711 Buddha. Like I said, this is their 600 watt CMY 4-in-1, so it's a beam spot, wash, and framing light. This is their highest light fixture that they offer currently, and I'm going to be doing a 3-part review on it later, so stay tuned to my channel at Theatrically Jerry if you do want to watch a in-depth review on this light. Alright, so I finally got this massive light fixture out of the packaging. It was a chore. This is not a lightweight light. So this is a 60-pound 4-in-1 beam spot wash framing light. So not only is it not lightweight, it's also not small. It actually comes in at around 30 inches tall. So this is a over 2 foot tall light fixture weighing around 60 pounds. Just to give you guys an idea. So since this is a quick unboxing video, I'm just going to show you guys really fast again what's included with VSHOW's S711 Buddha. So you are getting a user manual, and this is actually a pretty heavy user manual. There's a lot of pages in here. If you guys have watched my YouTube channel, you'll know that I tell you guys to always read the user manual and also keep this. It's going to tell you guys all about this light fixture, as well as how to clean it, etc. I like to keep them because it does give you your table of contents for your DMX channels. So always important, keep that. You are also getting VSHOW's 20 amp PowerCon. So you're getting a 20 amp PowerCon cable with VSHOW's silkscreen logo. It looks really nice. Thank you guys for including that. You're also getting VSHOW's 3-pin DMX, and it's also silkscreened right here, so you can differentiate your cables, what cable goes to what light fixture. Love that. You're also getting a safety cable, and safety is top priority, so I love that they've included a safety cable with this light fixture. One more thing that they have included that I cannot show you is the folding C-clamps. They're actually down below here, folded up. Each one of VSHOW's moving headlight fixtures comes with foldable C-clamps. So the S716 Goku and the S712 Kuan, as well as the S711 Buddha, include folding C-clamps. Why I'm mentioning that is because I love them. They save a lot of time, and time is money, as you guys know. So thank you guys for including those as well. If you enjoyed this quick unboxing video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have a comment or question about this S711 Buddha, go ahead and put it down below. I do read and respond to questions as quickly as I can. If you guys are interested in watching the 3-part in-depth review on this light fixture, I will be releasing that later this week, so subscribe to my channel at Theatrically Jerry, and it should alert you when the reviews start coming out for this light fixture. As always, thank you guys for watching.